Hi friends, today we are with a very special video which is nothing but the strategy to crack GATE 2021 for the civil engineering branch. Through this video, I would like to help you guys with a complete timetable for the upcoming 5 months period for our D-Day, the GATE exam. Our timetable or the 5-month plan is entirely based on the subjects which will have maximum marks. So, as we all know, there are some subjects which will be having maximum marks, or from those particular subjects, the maximum marks will be asked. So, what are those subjects? So, let's see those subjects. So, first is engineering mathematics, next is general aptitude, then comes the soil mechanics from the geotechnical engineering part, then the environmental engineering, transportation engineering, fluid mechanics. From the fluid mechanics, the open channel flow, not the entire fluid mechanics part. Seventh one is crop water requirement in irrigation engineering. Next is strength of materials from the structural engineering part. Next is geomatics engineering, and next is the hydrograph in hydrology. So I haven't taken all the subjects or the syllabus for making this timetable. I just had a research for the last or the past 5 years GATE papers. So from that we came to know that the maximum marks will be coming from these sections. So I just made a timetable based on these. The main idea of following the timetable which I am going to explain would be getting a score near to 70. But you should be very sincere during the preparation. Like I have mentioned in the timetable, I am mentioning like these are the subjects you have to prepare for a particular day. So what you have to do is you should be thorough with the concepts, basics, and also the previous year's papers also you can do, and also some questions from the test series also you can attempt. So for sure you can attempt a score of 70 marks in the GATE exam. So actually you can put a lot of ideas and changes into this timetable so that it becomes more feasible to you. I won't insist you to follow the particular timetable which I am giving you. You can make changes, and for sure you can make changes. For as per your convenience you can make it, and you can follow it. So this timetable helps you in revising the subject topics at least twice before the main exam. So shall we move on to the important part of the video? Yes, our timetable. So let's see the subjects first. So I have taken all those 10 subjects as the headings, like engineering, mathematics, general aptitude, geotechnical engineering, like that I have mentioned. And next comes the date part. So in the date part I have mentioned the dates from September 5th this year, like after 2 days September 5th, then September 6th, and so on. So it's I have mentioned it till which date? Jan 27th. So my timetable consists of the dates from September 5th till Jan 27th. So what I have done is I have divided the main subjects, the main 10 topics, and I just put those topics in the timetable part. So from the timetable you can see like from September 5th till November 16th or November 15th, like one time revision is already over. But at the same time, in that particular period, I haven't taken into consideration some subjects like fluid mechanics, geomatics engineering, then what else? Then hydrograph from the hydrology part, strength of materials, then open channel flow, crop water requirements. So all those topics I haven't taken because these will be carrying comparatively less marks than the other topics. So I haven't taken these topics in our first revision part. In our first revision part, the main subjects would be, like I have mentioned, engineering mathematics, general aptitude and reasoning, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, and transportation engineering. So each day, or like 2 days, let's take 2 days. For example, September 5th and September 6th, you have to go with the five particular subjects: engineering, mathematics, general aptitude, geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering, and transportation engineering. So single topics I have mentioned. So one topic for 2 days from five subjects. So how you can manage that, you can make out, like depending on your daily schedule. So if you are a student, you can do as per your convenience, like after your studies, after your college time, you can come back on or before, getting up early in the morning or sitting little late in the night for studies, as per your convenience, that you can do. And for working professionals also, this timetable will be apt. Why? Because I have taken 2 days for single topic for each subject. So I think this would be a feasible one with respect to the revision part. So for example, if you are taking the topic basics of water quality standards, physical, chemical and biological characters from the environmental engineering part, what you have to do is just go through the theory part or the main concept part, and then some previous years question papers you can actually go through. And also, if it's possible for you, then you can go through the test series papers. Why I'm saying if possible? Because in the second revision time, second that I will be discussing about the second revision time. So in that time, you can go with the test series. So the first revision part, like from September 5th to November 15th, what you can do is go through the concepts and the previous year question papers, thorough with the concepts, formulas, everything. And also, while learning the theory, you can actually make short notes or small notes for your convenience. So at the for 10 days before the exam, you can just go through those notes, and will be very useful for you. For each particular subject, you can maintain a separate short notes. So till September 5th to November, yeah, now November 15th, we have five subjects in hand. And I have mentioned November 16th. November 16th, I have put blank, completely blank. Why? Maybe it's based on you. Like, if you want to take a rest for one day, you can do that. Or if you want to plan more for the second revision part, you can do that. Or if there is something pending from the first revision part, you can actually go on with that. So that depends on you. I have given a 1 day gap for you. So from November 17th, again we are starting with the same syllabus like matrix, algebra, word group, three phase system, phase relationships. So the same syllabus, how we have separated for the first revision part, I have mentioned from the November 17th date, November 17th. So it goes on till Jan 27th, right? So actually saying we are getting enough time for the revision. Twice revision, 2 times we can do easily with this particular timetable. So from November 17th, the second revision time for the second revision time for the five subjects which we have covered in the first revision part. Along with that, what you can do is just go through the topics like fluid mechanics, mainly the open channel flow from fluid mechanics, then irrigation engineering. From the irrigation engineering, I have mentioned crop water requirement only. Why? Because mainly questions will be asked from those topics. This is based on the last 5 year papers. Next is structural engineering. From the structural engineering, we have taken the which one? Strength of material. Then geomatics engineering is a very small topic. So I have mentioned all the topics from the geomatics engineering. And hydrology only one topic, that is hydrograph. So the subdivisions of hydrograph I have mentioned. So just see this. For the fluid mechanics, theory of open channel flow, economical channel section. So the main thing is OCH. Next, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 topics from the fluid mechanics. All other topics from the water resource engineering or the fluid mechanics part we are omitting. So as I said in the beginning of the video itself, we are not taking the entire syllabus of the GATE exam, but still, as per our analysis of the last 5-year papers, we have come into a conclusion like these will be the main topics, and just concentrate or focus your studies on these topics, and certainly you will be able to score near to 70. So, and the other thing is practice whenever you get free time. For example, we have some subjects. We have some subjects for November 27th and 28th. So after covering those subjects, still we have some time. What you can do is you can just go to some test series, practice some quizzes, engineering quizzes, and all those things you can do. So this will be very helpful for you. It will be very useful while doing the gate exam, because it will increase the speed uh, speed with which you are doing the exam. Okay. So I have added this water requirement of crops only from the irrigation engineering. So just concentrate, because 1 to 2 marks will have asked in the last 5-year papers. Then strength of materials is important topic. So these like, one second, these are the topics which were asked in the last year papers from that. Then the surveying part, from I think for the surveying part, maybe you can omit some portions based on your convenience. If you are not able to cover all the topics from the surveying part, it's okay. But I'm telling you, once you are thorough with the part, or once you are thorough with the topic, don't go through it again and again. If you are confident, like 100% you are confident on it, don't do extra questions on it. Just concentrate on some other topic, so that you can score 1 or 2 marks from there. You know, right? In GATE exam, this 1 to 2 marks is very, very important. Okay, while taking the percentile and all. Okay, next is the hydrograph part. So I have made the subdivisions as unit hydrograph, triangular hydrograph, S curve, like that I have made. So mm so this is the timetable I wanted to explain to you. And if you want this as a copy, you can just request in the comment section. I will share you the timetable which I have prepared. So maybe in the from the video it may not be clear, you have to zoom and see, and all those things will be there. So I can share with you, and you can take a printout, or whatever you can do. Yeah. Okay, I hope, thanks guys. I hope everyone is clear with whatever I had explained. I'm sure this will be very, very useful for you.